Are you pursuing your engineering and looking for a good opportunity? Are you an engineering graduate and looking for a good opportunity? So hey guys, this is Sheetal and I welcome you all on my channel Sheetal Rudraksh. And in today's video, I am going to share an amazing opportunity which is for the aspiring engineers. So here in this video, I'll be discussing about a program which is for the aspiring engineers, and this program has been launched by Tata Steel. So Tata Steel, as you all know, it is a big brand, it is a big company. So you will be getting an opportunity to work with Tata Steels even if you are pursuing your graduation in that case also. So each and everything we'll be discussing about this particular profile, and stay tuned to the video and stay patient because there are lots of important information which I'll be sharing in this video. So let's start with some bullet points, some important points. So first is important dates. So the registration has already been opened from 8th of February and the last date to apply is 3rd of March 2023. But I would request guys, if you are watching this video today and you are interested for this profile, you need to apply today itself. Second thing, this program is for 1 year. So you will be involved in this program for 1 year. During this program, you will be getting stipend also. So you will be getting 30,000 rupees stipend during your program, and once you will complete your program, you will get an opportunity to work with Tata Steels. And once you will be working with the Tata Steels and once you will be the employee of Tata Steel, in that case your starting salary will be 6.24 lakhs. So if you will calculate in the monthly salary, it will be somewhere around 52,000. So this is an amazing opportunity guys. If you guys are eligible, definitely you need to apply for it because it can give you a kickstart to your career. And third and very important part guys, once you will apply, so whatever the communication you will receive directly from the Tata Steels, not from any other person. If you will receive any confirmation from any of the Gmail ID, Hotmail ID, Rediffmail ID, you don't need to reply on that because that will be completely fake. So whatever the information you will receive from the career@tatasteel.com, not from any other email ID, right? Fourth and very important point guys, they have a age limit also. So the age limit is up to 30 years as on 1st of February 2023. But if you belong from PWD, SC, ST or from the transgender community, in that case the age limit is 32 years. And guys, if you will complete your 1 year of program and once you will be an employee of Tata Steel, in that case your designation will be assistant manager. So that means after 1 year you will directly get the designation of assistant manager. So now guys, I am going to tell you the eligibility criteria, that means who all can apply for this profile. So please make sure that you will go through the details very carefully because after that only you will be able to apply. So guys, if we will talk about the eligibility criteria, age details I have already shared with you. And if we will talk about the education qualification, you must have completed or you should be a final year student of BE, BTech, BSc Engineering in the following specific discipline: IT, Computer Science. You must have completed or should be a final year student of MCA, MSc in following discipline: Math, Statistics, Physics or Operational Research. So if you belong from these categories, you can apply for this profile. And candidates who have completed their 3-year diploma and directly joined 2nd year of engineering, are in final year of BE, BTech, BSc Engineering, can also apply. And you must have attended full-time AICTE or UGC approved campus program. So distance learners are not eligible here. And people who have at least 6.5 CGPA or 65% in their graduation in BE, BTech, BSc Engineering examination, they can apply here. For transgender, PWD, SC and ST candidates, there is a concession on this. For those candidates, it is 6 CGPA or 60% in BE, BTech, BSc Engineering examination. So we have discussed the eligibility criteria. Now we will discuss about the application process. But before that, I just want to tell you guys, once you will apply and if they will find you eligible, in that case, you need to give cognitive and technical test which will be online. Once you will clear your cognitive and technical test, you will be eligible for an face-to-face interview. So it can be online or it can be in person. That will be decided after the process. So guys, if you want to know the test pattern, if you want to know how the interview happens for this profile, do let me know in the comment box. I'll be definitely sharing the details with you. Now let's talk about how you can apply for it. So I am giving you a link in the description box which is directly a link from the Tata Steels. So once you will click on the link and you will again see this link, Tata Steel inviting application for aspiring engineering program. So you need to click on this link and you will see a form here. So in this form, you need to fill your personal details, your educational details, your professional details if you have already worked, and then you need to upload your resume and you need to select the interview center. So if in case it will be a physical interview, in that case which location will be comfortable for you, you need to select that location and you need to click here and then you need to submit your application. So guys, this is an amazing opportunity for engineering aspirants, and if you are eligible, please do apply for this. Also share this video with your friend circle, your relatives, with those who are actually looking for this kind of job. So guys, I hope that I've covered the maximum details here in this video, but still if you have any question, any doubt, any query, you can ask me in the comment box. I'll be really happy to help you out. I'll see you soon with a new and informative video. Till then, take care and keep supporting me.